Yo, was your B16 running like shit? Mine was. I had the infamous idle surge, and it was revving high when I'm just sitting at a standstill. I'm gonna show you how I fixed that. Check it out. All right, guys. So I was having a bunch of problems with my idle on my B16A. This is not the original motor for the car. It is an EM1, but I put a B16A in the car, and it just started idling really high, and you get that infamous Honda Civic idle surge. Everyone knows that problem. And most of the time you can fix that with adjusting your idle screw. That didn't work. So then I knew it had to be some sort of vacuum leak. I double checked all of my hoses, and you can actually take brake parts cleaner or starting fluid and spray around your hoses or wherever you can have a vacuum leak. Sprayed all my hoses, nothing. So I sprayed right here between the intake manifold and the head, and sure enough, it changed my idle. So I knew that that was the culprit. So in this video, I'm going to show you me taking apart my intake manifold, putting a new gasket on, and fixing the car, because this is actually the finished product, and it runs tip-top shape now. No idle issues whatsoever, and it's perfect. So I hope you guys like it. Hope this helps. Check the video out. Alright guys, so I have the original motor out of my 99 Honda Civic. The ring went on it, so it's been sitting in my garage. I haven't messed with it at all, so I put this B16A in, and we're working on a valve leak issue here. So I took the B16A intake manifold off. I decided I'm gonna shave it and paint it, but I went to my house, my storage unit I should say, aka my mama house.
Hey Mom! The meatloaf!
Got the one off the original motor. This is the old one actually. This is the B16A. This is the B16A2. So basically I'm gonna shave this up, clean it up, clean out the insides, and put this one on. We're doing the Honda. Got the Honda intake manifold gasket. Got a brand new PVC or PCV valve that I had sitting around. EM Honda throttle body gasket. All new seals for the injectors. VHT Wrinkle Plus that has literally been sitting in my garage for God, who knows how long. But we got it sitting. Got 2 cans of primer. I think one's high temp. There you go, engine primer. So we'll just use the high temp and clean it up.
Finish him!
Finished putting the fuel rail on. Just a quick recap. There's just 3 10mm bolts back here. Got my injectors in. Seated all nice. Put that hose back on. So we are pretty much ready to put this on the car now. So let's see how she runs. Let's give her a go. You know, hopefully she runs 10 times better. Don't see any leaks. It's looking pretty good. See what we're idling at now. All right. Now that we're nice and warmed up, we're actually idling right where we want to be. 1,000 RPMs. 900, creeping up a little bit, but all right, I'm gonna finish tightening this down. We'll take it for a test drive. Well, made it home. The car is feeling great. There is no weird idle issue. I don't have any surging. I think I just put it in a friggin' bird. No weird idle issue, nothing. RPMs are really good right now. Like, look, they're sitting at, looks like 900 to 1,000 RPMs. Man, I just spun tire. I wish I would have got it on video, but it's kind of close to my house. Kind of want you guys to know where I live. But yeah, I just spun tire through first and second, and I mean, that's as far as it went. I didn't even go into third because it was a short side street, but I'm sure my neighbors loved that. But yeah, it's running quite good. Still dirty than all get out, but ran well. Just want to pop the hood and just make sure everything looks all right to me. And man, buddy of mine owes me a wax, so I'm gonna take him up. He tried to do it this weekend, but I can't do it this weekend. I got my aunts coming into town, and we did the 2-hour break-in period of this new. Let me pop the hood here. Sorry guys. Did the 2-hour break-in period. Drove the car around pretty much all day. Give me a second. Drove the track car around probably about all day long. It got easily over 2 hours of it. Went running around, got this cool little Gorilla Joby tripod, whatever the hell it's called. I was looking for a mic adapter. Couldn't find one anywhere. It's insane. So I'm gonna have to get that from Amazon or GoPro or something. Hopefully the audio isn't terrible, but took her around. She did great. No leaks, nothing. No weird idle problems. It's idling perfect. I would say we definitely fixed the issue. Another cool thing is I was looking around on Facebook the other day, and it turns out there's a I want to say the name's Track Times, or I don't know, some sort of track shop. Basically they sell seats, gloves, harnesses. They had some tires, brackets, you know, just your basic track needs, I guess. They don't have any like real performance parts or anything. They had a couple sets of brakes and rotors. I wish I would have filmed when I was there. I did have my cameras and stuff, but it was just one guy and it was kind of awkward. And like I said, I'm new to this. But I went in there and I picked this up off Facebook Marketplace. These up off Facebook Marketplace, and I didn't have the video. I wish I had the video of me installing them, and my buddy actually made me a replica seat bracket. He just welded it up for me and I painted it. But I went in there and asked them if they had the same Sparco seat mounts, and they did. But they didn't have any in stock, and I was looking to see if they had the exact ones. Sure enough, on one of the display seats, they had them. Guy said he'd get me them in one day, and I was like, well, how about those right off the display? And he was like, yeah, no problem. Pulled them off, so now I got matching seats, or seat brackets. So I'll be putting these on shortly, and I'll have a video of that. I also got to mount my my 5th harness for my driver's side. I didn't do that yet either, so I figured I'd wait. I'm actually going to get rid of the sliders and directly bolt it into my car, so nobody's going to be able to drive it unless they happen to be my exact height and width and all that good jazz. Yeah, that'll be an install video that I'll be doing with you guys, and we'll see how that goes. But just got home. It's time to have a beer and eat some dinner. Peace.